NMIMS, which stands for Nasimuji Institute of Management Studies, they have their campuses in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Chandigarh, Bangalore, and a lot more places. They have already opened up its application forms for all its UG courses, whether it's a BBA, BSc Finance, BBA in Branding and Advertisement, Law, and lots such courses. I did make a video letting you all know that the forms are actually opened, but after that I've been getting a lot of queries about the same, and this is what I will answer in this particular video. Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, as you all know that this video is about NMIMS, I'm going to take you to my computer screen. Please make sure you watch this video till the very end because I don't want you all to make some blunders or mistakes that a lot of you people have already made even for the application year 2024. So please make sure you watch this video till the end. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I have opened up the official website of NMIMS. And this is where you'll find all the details relating to their admissions, their different centers, schools, students, and a lot more. I'm just scrolling through the website so that you can get a gist of it. By the way, before I even start showing you the whole process of how you can apply for your forms at NMIMS, please make sure that you check out my previous videos relating to NMIMS, like the recent one which I made, which is about the 3 most overrated courses of NMIMS Mumbai. So guys, just please go check that up. At the same time, if you're planning to pursue law from NMIMS, I've also done a law review video. So please make sure that you go check it up as well. So in case if you're looking for information in either of these campuses, you can directly click on this and you can get more details. What I will do now, as you can see, is that I will click on these 3 lines where a pop-up will open up and I will look for admissions. Once we go for admissions, here it shows that the admissions are open, and naturally so they are. One of the most important things to do, guys, is that you need to understand that NMIMS is a whole umbrella under which there are different schools and different campuses, and under those are your courses offered. To give you an example, their law program is offered in different campuses. So it's a different program. Their fees is different, faculty members are different, even though the curriculum just might be the same. So for you to select the right course is very important. Here you can see all the list of schools that they have, and it's a pretty huge list. Or there's a School of Technology and Management in Hyderabad, then there's a School of Technology and Management in Sirpur. Now just to give you an example, let me do Anil Surinder Modi School of Commerce and let me select the program. Now under Anil Surinder Modi School of Commerce, which again is one of the most targeted schools of NMIMS, here's the list of the 4 courses that they offer. One is the BSc in Finance, their BCom, their BBA and MSc in Finance. Likewise, just to give you another example, if I click on Bengaluru campus, you'll find the list of courses that are offered only in the Bangalore campus, like a BA LLB, BB LLB, BSc Economics, BBA, BCom, BSc Finance and MBA. Today, in fact, in one of my personal guidance and doubt clearing sessions, parents were asking me if there's a BTech that is offered in the Bangalore campus. The answer to that is no. BTech is not offered in the Bangalore campus, even though BTech in NMIMS is offered. So I hope that is clear. Now, just for example purposes, let me select BCom here and search. You will see that a new window will open up and that will directly take you to NPAT. Now NPAT is the official exam of NMIMS, and that is what each one of you needs to appear for if you want to make it to NMIMS, either of their schools, either of their campuses, whatever the case may be. As you all know, they do not have an interview or a micro presentation or a group discussion. They will directly tell you after the exam whether you've been selected or whether you made the cutoff or not made the cutoff. Naturally, the cutoff depends on the demand and the supply. So just like for the Bangalore campus, their cutoff is way lesser than the Mumbai campus. Likewise, in the other campuses of Hyderabad, it's even lesser than the Bangalore campus as well as the Mumbai campus. So it really depends on the demand and supply how it is the case. One thing I want to really take you to is the important dates. Even though I did talk about it in one of my previous reels that I was making, it's very important that you know about it. In fact, I'll put down this document in the description of this video. It's very, very important. As you all know, for all the commerce and management related courses, there's NPAT that you need to give. For all the engineering courses, there's a CET that you need to give. And for law courses, you need to give LAT. Now, once that is clear, you can get a list of the programs and number of years it is for, whether there's liberal arts, which is for 4 years, and then there's BBA, which is for 4 years. However, BBA in branding and advertising, even one of the most overrated courses of NMIMS, it is a 3-year program. So you will get a list of all their programs that are offered. At the same time, as you all know that the registration has started from 6th of December and it is going to be open till May 20th, 2024. The exams are test center based and you can select the test centers. In fact, they're almost available in major cities of the country. In fact, even in the tier 2 cities, the test centers are available, which is a very good thing, and people have started taking the test from 1st of January 2024 to 25th of May 2024 is in between when you can take the test of NMIMS. Now you can select any day. I was getting a lot of doubts from people, should we do it before boards, after our boards? Guys, it's completely up to you of whenever you want to take the exam. And here's the whole process. You will have to give your exam. After that, you will come to know about the counseling letter for engineering candidates, because they have a counseling process according to which they get the department in engineering. However, for other courses, there is directly a merit list which is released, and those merit lists, here are the dates. You can see when the merit lists are going to be released for depending on the campus and the counseling sessions. These are tentative dates, which means they can change after some time as well. Here's the things for NPAT and NLAT. If you want, you can take a screenshot of it. Otherwise, I've already put down all the details in the description of this video. Now for entrance test pattern, here is the entrance test pattern for NPAT. There is quantitative reasoning for 40 marks. There is logical reasoning for 40 marks. There is verbal reasoning for 40 marks. In total, 120 questions, and the timer that you have is about 100 minutes. Types of question and difficulty level of test as per SAT exam pattern. Guys, do not worry about it right now. I will be making detailed videos of how you can prepare for the NMIMS exam. So just subscribe to my channel and stay updated. All those videos are in making, and I will also be providing you all the free material that you need, so that you don't need to go for coaching or anything of that sort. My team is working really hard in finding free material, free mocks, all of that, so that you don't need to do any of those things. Another doubt that I was getting from students was about the retakes. Now, as you all know that NMIMS offer you the possibility of taking retake. Now, what does that really mean is that suppose you take one exam and it does not go as per your expectation, or the marks were not that great, or you found it super hard, and whatever the case may be, NMIMS offers you the option of taking 2 retakes, which means you can take 1 retake or you can take 2 retakes. It definitely is an amazing feature, specifically for people who get underconfident while they're giving the exam, or are just scared, and sometimes even after hours of preparation they end up not doing well. So for you people, retake is there. Here is the eligibility criteria. You can check it out, and please make sure that you only and only fill the form if you are eligible to fill the form. Another very important thing is the fees of NMIMS and their programs. To be honest guys, I definitely feel that NMIMS charges a lot of money. So only and only if you're willing to invest this kind of money is when you should fill in the form for NMIMS. I know so many students who fill the form, get the admission, and then they're like, no bhaiya, but it is super expensive, we cannot go, and it will be a huge burden on my father, or it will take a toll on our financial budget. Definitely it will, because see guys, the fees is super high. Like just to give you an example, their BSc finance is at 3,75,000 rupees, which is a very high number. BBA in international business, 5 lakh rupees per year. Their BTech is 4 lakh per year. To be honest, I'm no one to tell you whether this fees is expensive or not, because money is a very subjective as a concept. For somebody, 5 lakh rupees is a huge amount, while for the other it just doesn't make any difference to their health and well-being. So it really depends. But yes, looking at the general strata of the Indian economy and people, I can definitely say that NMIMS definitely has a higher fee structure. So only and only apply, fill in the form and appear for the test if you're super serious and are willing to invest this kind of money. Otherwise, please look out for other alternative colleges and options. Okay, so now that you've gotten all the details, what you should do is directly click on the apply now button here. Another tab will open up, which is about the application form. Let me register myself here. So they will be sending you a link on your email, and you need to click on that to verify the process. Okay, so guys, I have gotten my email, and in that they will basically be sending you your login credentials. So along with your email, they will be sending you your password. Once you log in, this is your dashboard that will open up, where you can fill in your form, application form, postgraduate program, my profile, queries, communication, payments, and log out. So let me just fill in an application form to show you of how the process is done. I'm just going to do apply now. Here you need to start filling in the form. Let me first of all accept all terms and conditions. Again, they're referring to the most important PDF that they've made. Now let me start filling in the important details. Guys, you need to put in your passport size picture. For now, I'll just put one picture. Guys, always do next. Now I'm moving to next. Father's title. So it's all family information. If you know about this, you can just forward all the details. Once you filled in the form for your family details, then you move to the other criteria, and this, guys, is very important. So many students make mistakes in filling in their academic details, so please don't do that. Here's your board for 10th. I did it from ICSE, so I'm just putting ICSE, and the state for me was Uttarakhand, so I'll put Uttarakhand, and my school name was St. George's College. Here are my marks in 10th, month of passing, everything. Please, guys, put in correct. Whatever, if you have a grade point, for all the CBSE students, they have a grade point, so please put grade point. Oh, that was number, sorry. Here is marks obtained is the total marks. So out of 100, percentage gets to obviously 95%. Here's for class 12th or HSC. Whether you have taken maths or stats in your class 12th exam, to be honest, this is a very important thing, and please do not lie, guys. Later on they'll come to know. So just say yes if you have taken the exam. If not, then you can say a no. Again, like I said, they've mentioned it here, maths as statistics should reflect as a subject taken and passed in the mark sheet. Now here is the program preference. Based on all the details that I've put, which is that I have taken maths and everything, these are the courses that I'm eligible. You all people know that in NMIMS, math is compulsory for a lot of the programs, specifically BBA, BCom related, and because I did yes is what these are the programs that I'm being offered by NMIMS. Now let me give you another example by going back and writing here the fact that I have not taken maths/stats in my exam. If I do this and I go next, then you will see that I don't meet a lot of the eligibility criteria for BBA and BSc Finance and Economics courses. The only course that now I'm being offered is a BA in Liberal Arts from School of Liberal Arts, BBA Branding and Advertising, BBA International Business, or Bachelor's of Business Administration Marketing Management. These are the courses that I am being offered because I have not taken maths. So I hope this is clear to all you people. Now eligible schools, you can select whichever ones that you want to apply for, okay? Because what will happen is that they will, after they've taken your score into consideration, which you will get after the NPAT exam, they will let you know where you made the cut. But right now, because I'm eligible in all these schools, I have clicked myself for all these schools. Program preference, obviously Liberal Arts Mumbai, wherever it is being offered, you can do the program preference on different cities as well. I hope this is clear. Now I'll again go back and say math yes, because I know a lot of people who are applying to NMIMS have math. So just for their clarity purposes, let me do this next. Now you can see the courses that I'm eligible for, and here I will select all the schools. Okay, now program preference. My program preference number 1 is going to be BBA in Navi Mumbai. Then it is going to be BCom in Mumbai. Then it is going to be, now purposely I'm doing Mumbai, but for you people, someone can do Chandigarh also. You can do a Navi Mumbai also. You can even do BSc Finance Bangalore also, Liberal Arts. So you can fill in all these preferences, because it will be beneficial for you that wherever you make the cut, they will let you know, congratulations, you have been selected. Do you wish to retake the test for the above selected question? I can say yes for now. How many times you wish to retake the exam? You can say once. Now pay registration fees. Now guys, as you can see here, because I said that I wish to retake the exam, there is a cost that is there for retake of exam, which is 7,000. So if you wish to retake the exam, then you can add this. Now because I don't want to pay such a huge amount, so I will say I am not going to take the retake exam. I don't wish to retake the exam. So let me pay the registration fees now. Now it is showing registration fees of 7,000 rupees, which is a non-refundable amount. I am now reducing the number of schools that I have selected to see if there is a reduction in the cost that happens. Yes. Now you can see that the number of schools you apply to, the fees is based on that. So it is now 2,000 because I'm only applying to one school, which is Anil Surinder Modi School of Commerce. And I have applied, I put all of these as my preference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is the reason now I'm getting only 2,000 rupees as the cost. Now suppose if I also add School of Economics to this and select my 3 preferences, which will be Mumbai number 1, Navi Mumbai number 2, Bangalore number 3, and pay registration fees, you will see that the cost has increased by 1,000. So for each school there is a different registration cost. For School of Economics it's 1,000, for School of Commerce it is 2,000. Now if I wish to retake this exam, then I will have to pay double the fees. Right now obviously guys, I'm not paying any money because I don't need to. So yes guys, that's about it for this particular video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I hope you got clarity on how you need to fill in the NMIMS form, what are the different permutations and combinations of exams and entrance tests and all such things. If you still have any doubts, questions or queries, please make sure you comment below so that I can apply to that. If in case you haven't booked, please see me for my personal guidance and doubt training sessions so that you could have a lot more of clarity on the courses and the career that you would want to choose. I'll see you all with another video. Take care guys. Bye bye.